You can agree with me. This is a highly examinable topic. Okay? Especially calculating median for grouped data. This is highly examinable. Grade 9 may find it in their exams. Even the Form 4 students, they may find this question in their exam. This is highly examinable and you have to understand it, okay? You have to know the steps, what you need for you to calculate median for grouped data. What do you need? The first thing I want to help you calculate is cumulative frequency. Most students don't know how to calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is needed for you to be able to calculate median for grouped data. You need cumulative frequency. Today, you will know how to calculate cumulative frequency. You will never fail again. I will show you how to calculate cumulative frequency. Please be with me up to the end of the lesson because you are going to deeply understand how to calculate cumulative frequency and its connection with this frequency. So, be with me, fasten your seat belt so that you can understand how to calculate cumulative frequency. Please, for you to understand how to calculate cumulative frequency, like I have told you, you have to pay. You have to pay for you to understand cumulative frequency. It's something that is needed for you to calculate median for grouped data. I've said you have to pay for you to understand cumulative frequency. I mean, you have to pay attention. Pay attention. Subscribe. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. How to calculate cumulative frequency. I hope you are with me. I've told you you have to pay attention. Okay? So, how to calculate cumulative frequency? It's given acronym. It's also known as CF, cumulative frequency. When you see CF, it is cumulative frequency in short form. Okay? How to calculate cumulative frequency? We use this frequency to calculate cumulative frequency so that we can be able to calculate median for group data. It's one of the things that are needed for you to calculate cumulative frequency. Okay? So, you use this frequency, it helps us calculate cumulative frequency. We start with 3. In cumulative frequency, you look at frequency, then the first one we just write the way it is. The first one, you just write the way it is, the first one. The second one, you add this plus this. You add 3 plus 10. So, cumulative frequency for the next one is 13. Okay? You have seen, okay? For this one, the first one you write the way it is. The second one you add 3 plus 10. This plus this. So, the third one, you add this, what you have gotten, the cumulative frequency for this, 13 plus 15. 13 plus 15. It becomes 20. The result is 28. Okay? So, what am I saying? Let me repeat again. When you are calculating cumulative frequency, you use frequency to calculate cumulative frequency. Okay? The first one, you write the way it is. If here is 3, you write 3. Whatever it is here, you write the way it is, exactly the way it is in cumulative frequency column. Huh? Then, when you go to the second row, you want to calculate cumulative frequency. You will add what is in the first row plus what is here. 3 plus 10, you get 13. That's how you calculate cumulative frequency. Then when you go to the third row, you have 15 as frequency. 13 plus 15, you get 28. And if you have many rows, you can have as many rows as possible. That is how you are going to go about it. Okay, 13 plus 15, 28. 3 plus 10, 13. So if you have another one, is 28 plus the other row. So I hope you have understood how to calculate cumulative frequency. Don't fail when you are asked to calculate cumulative frequency. It is one of the things that are needed for you to calculate median for grouped data. Okay, so let me show you another thing. Can we add there? We also need total frequency. When you add total frequency is 28. When you add total 3 plus 10 plus 15, it is 28. Total frequency. Total frequency. So it's 28 total frequency. Total frequency must add up to, must be the same as the last row for cumulative frequency. It must look the same. If you want to know if you are correct in calculating cumulative frequency, the total frequency and the last total of the cumulative frequency or CF should be the same. This should be the same as this for you to know that you are correct. Okay? For you to know you are correct, it must be the same.